So Bitcoin is entering a power zone. This thing is nonstop printing all-time highs over the last while. So we're going to take a look at some price action, some technical indicators we could be seeing and gearing up for another potential increase. So let's jump into it in this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's get into it here. All right, so Bitcoin weekly RSI is entering the power zone. The last time Bitcoin saw this, we saw an 80% surge. We saw an explosive surge yesterday. We hit another all-time high of 89,980, getting very, very close to that 90K psychological level. Analyst Ched recently shared a compelling insight, a technical insight about the RSI. The RSI is nearing the overbought zone. And historically, this is a very bullish signal for Bitcoin. This could suggest further upside potential for Bitcoin in the near term. It just means that there's a ton of buying going on right now with little selling pressure. The coming days could be critical for the price action. We have to kind of wait and see what happens there. The current price action remains very bullish, showing very few signs of weakness. Ched's analysis underscores the strong technical setup for Bitcoin with the RSI sitting the way it is. So it surged in over 32% in less than a week, rapid aggressive moves to the upside, seeing new highs printed almost on the daily. Euphoria often precedes a correction, yet recent data indicates Bitcoin could sustain this upward momentum and keep going. I always kind of worry when we have these, dramatic increases where we don't see a pullback because we could see a potential for a bigger correction in the long term. The RSI is nearing the power zone known as the overbought territory. Historically, this zone has signaled powerful bullish phases for Bitcoin. The last time Bitcoin's RSI reached similar levels, the price rallied from about 40K to 70K, which would be a substantial surge, and that could be on the horizon again in this setup. So bullish price action, key levels to watch. Analysts were thinking we were going to see a pause around the 77K mark and a possible pullback to the previous all-time high of about 73K. But we didn't get that. We saw Bitcoin continuing its momentum up towards the 90K psychological level, and many investors consider this level a key supply zone where profit taking could emerge. So, if we do hit that 90K level, we could see some profit taking on the table, unless things just defy logic and just keep going towards that 100K mark. That is very potentially on the table at this point as well, right? Bitcoin is still targeting that 100K milestone, and it is working towards it, that's for sure. A retracement towards the 77K level could be a healthy move, allowing Bitcoin to establish a demand base, some support there, and allow for some consolidation. I would be welcoming for that as well. It also would give us a chance to pick up a couple of extra things that we might have kind of wanted to grab before this big run started. So let's go take a look at some of the latest data. The market cap did hit 3 trillion about an hour or so ago when I was started my videos. It is down right now to 2.96 trillion. I love saying down to 2.96 trillion because, that 3 trillion, that was nice to see, but we haven't seen that for a long time. So we're just up marginally in the day, 0.48% as of right now. Bitcoin is sitting at 88.8 and Ethereum sitting at 3,200. So we have a number of cryptos right now that are still up in the green. We see AOs there. That is a great project. I have a fair bit of that. HBAR has been surging. I'm going to be doing an HBAR video as well. There's some massive news coming out for them. And we've got a number of other cryptos in here. Dogecoin, I sat here last night and watched Dogecoin. I traded that thing on Margex, which I actually have a link in my description below if you guys are interested in Margex. I did a little bit of leverage trading with Dogecoin last night. It was, it broke the 40-cent range and it kept going. And I was in amazement because I haven't seen a Dogecoin hit those levels in a couple of years. It was very nice to see. As you guys know, Dogecoin was my very first cryptocurrency. It got me into the whole crypto world, and it's been quite the ride so far. So that's pretty much what I got for you guys in this video. We could see some more upside from this, but there is potential for a pullback. So just make sure you guys are aware and don't bet your bank, don't bet everything that you have on crypto going up at this point. It's already going up dramatically, so don't get caught in the FOMO. But obviously, do your own research, do your own homework, make your own decisions, and it's your money. Spend it as you wish. So thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.